Okay, let's check this out a little bit and see what we got ourselves into. Hello, my name is nameless son, and I'm going to play this game. I downloaded from the App Store. Now, I haven't played this game, so I have no idea. This is first time I play video games on my MacBook Pro Touch Bar 13-inch. So let's see. Oh my god, this girl is so pretty. You're new? Great. Last thing I need is some rookie driving around hurting people. Before I let you loose on the streets, uh, you have got to prove you can drive. Well, lady, I am assuring you, I am a very bad driver. So, that being said, let's see if I can prove you right. Beat, oh my god, this car, if this was my car, I would have 10 girlfriends and 19 wives. Press the gas pedal on the right to rev. On go, the car will launch automatically. Get ready, explanation mark. Okay. Oh, oh, that makes girls so hot. Oh my god. Hit this button to shift up. Timing is important for max power output. Change gear when the when the dash light hits green. Okay, so you mean that's my fault the car got chick chick. Okay, let me throw all the garbage on my bed so I can make myself comfortable. Okay, I don't think they have made this MacBook for the gaming, but let's see if it can live to its full potential. Okay. You'll go faster if you shift later. Wait for the red line and when the light goes green. Okay. I can't drive like this. Seriously. You win. I have no idea if I did anything. But alright, now prove yourself against a real up opponent. Loading. To get good start, rev the engine with gas pedal until the light stays green. Gosh, you're so hot. Come on, oh yeah. For a great start, keep tapping the gas pedal. What kind of stupid game is this? I want to see the street. Of course I lose. Oh, please, hon, don't get mad. I can change, I promise. Come on, you can do better. Launch and change your gear when you dash light. Either I'm very stupid at playing this game, or is this game so stupid? Oh. Oh yeah, this is the pedal. Oh my god. What the hell? I lose again. My girlfriend's gonna leave me and all my wives. Come on, you can do better. Launch and change your gear dashboard lights green. Launch and change. Ah, God, English is my fourth fucking language. I wish I knew what she was talking about. What the hell am I supposed to do now? Oh my god, that guy is... There is no way. I'm losing again. Ah, shit, this is fucking too much for me. I am... Yeah, of course I lose. I am such a loser. No wonder I don't have a girlfriend. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, come on baby. Oh no, I understand the game. Okay, this time baby, I am not gonna break your PC engine heart. Oh yeah, I'm winning. Oh my god, I can taste it. Oh my god, it tastes like a cheeseburger, a burnt cheeseburger with somebody's booger on it. Oh my god, I'm losing just like a fucking Big Mac that tastes like shit. I'm sorry, agent. I don't wanna lose you. I can change. Okay, stop being a loser, please. Oh yeah. What the fuck? You know what? Fuck this game. I'm done with it. I can lose every single time. I'm done. I'm done. I'm down with it. You know. Let's pause it and change to an online game. I just hate this fucking trailers and ads and all that. Do they really think I'm gonna buy or go whatever they are saying? Come on. Oh, no, fuck the emojis. I'm not gonna pay money to see that shit that you see on your phone every fucking single day. Come on, game, start now. Where is the game? I went through the entire trailer. It has to start now. Hello. Click here for... Yeah, of course I want to use it. Why are you asking my permission? Nobody asked my permission. I mean, people... Oh my god, not another trailer. Oh my god, I cannot deal with this bullshit. This is what happens when you let power-hungry industry to show this fucking garbage so that we can go... No, what the hell I'm talking about? Please God, just give me some kind of patience. Okay. Well, thank God, after 10 hours and 15 days later, I'm finally back. Okay. Come on. What the hell was that? Were they having... What? What? Oh, yeah. I thought they were... Oh my God, skip it. Skip this shit. Okay, let's see what this idiot wants. What? This is all you start with. See where it takes you in the park. So what the hell is this? There is a brain in here. I think this is the developer's brain. He forgot it in here when he made this game. So what am I supposed to do? Speed. Do you really think that I would go and buy shit from a shit game? What the hell is this? Are you trying to be some kind of Einstein or... Wait, what is this? I can click it, but I don't know if I can... Come on, what? What is this? Okay, now I'm doing something. Oh my god, my mom is so proud of me that I can punch this. Come on. Oh, the barrel says something about explosion. Yeah, I won. The end of the world. What the hell was that? Wait, wait. What is on this painting? Please don't tell me that this game is for age 3 to 5, because if it is, then oh my god, just fuck this. Just close this shitty fucking website. Oh yeah, here is some driving. Let's test my driving skills. I have some amazing driving skills. My driving skills are so good. Even actually, I don't have any jokes there. Let's just shut this thing off. Madeline Stunt Cars 2. Okay, over 2.7 million people have liked this thing on Facebook. Not the game, but the website. So it means it's popular. No, I don't want to watch the walkthrough. Hey, 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 what the hell? I mean, this is... If this lags again, then I'm gonna kill myself. Come on. Unity Web GL. Made with the box Unity. Okay, thank God, a play button. Hooray, give that guy a medal. I'm gonna go ahead with a single player. I don't want to be embarrassed on YouTube, where billions of people probably will watch me and be like, oh my god, this guy is a solo loser. Okay, so now, what's this? Oh yeah, oh man, this is awesome. This is freaking awesome. I can drive a car, please. Oh my god, I am so hot. Check the girls. Oh my god, girls are like, oh my god, that guy is driving such a nice car. I wanna marry him. The other girl is saying, no, he is mine. I'm gonna marry him, not you, bitch. Get off of my husband. He's mine. He's fucking mine. What? Okay, what was that? This is what happened when you talk about girls in car. You know what happens? You crash. What is this? Let's see. Oh yeah, this is so... Oh, no, I know. I'm supposed to go on these things, ramps or whatever they are called. Oh yeah, check me baby. Oh my god. Oh. Hey mommy, come here. I can do this. Let's see this. This is really funny. Oh yeah, I can make sound from the thing. Oh yeah, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out, baby. Oh no. This was a failed shit from my side. Let's... oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Come to Papa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's not my car really, so I can fuck it up. I'll leave it to the rental. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is fucking awesome. Did you see that? Not even Tony Hawk can do that. I think he's a driver or something. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Come to Papa, baby. Let's see. The most dangerous and daring thing. I've already done this. I think. Yeah, I have. Oh yeah, it can backflip. Oh yeah, this is. Hey. Param param pam pam da, 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 just like in Mario. Oh wow, I really love that game. Let's see. Oh yeah, that uh, blue one. What the hell is that? Let's see. Let's find out. It's like a mystery. It's like when Steve Jobs were talking about the launching iPhone. That was really mystery. What could be three devices? Oh yeah, this is just like that moment when Steve Jobs were. What the hell is this? Oh my god, oh my god. Actually, I should just stop do this recording and go and get a fucking life. This is really embarrassing and childish. For oh my god. You know what? I can be a little bit more childish. When I saw this thing, I am going for it. Oh no, I have to be on that. Wait, 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 wait. Come here, come here, come here. No wonder I lost my license. I'm such a shitty driver, and you're laughing at me. Okay, soft, 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 soft. No, 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 no. You know what? I'm gonna go and shoot myself. Thank you for watching this video, and I think you have wasted 18 minutes of your life. My time is not precious. Maybe yours is. Oh my god, the clock is 2:5. I am so screwed. My mommy will kill me.